Mahalo Airbnb.
You have been good to us, 121. Time to move on to Hana, though. Bye-bye. Our first stop, Bamboo Forest.
Trail was littered with tourists, so we kept going.
That's the nice thing about having multiple days on the road to Hana. We're doing out one day, we're staying one day, and then we're coming back another day. And when we're coming back, our flight's at like 9:30 p.m., so we have plenty of time to take our time on the road back. If you're coming out here, top tip, don't try to do the road to Hana in one day. Stay in Hana at least for one night so that you can kind of spread it out, because otherwise you're just going to run into too many tourists and not be able to get done what you want to get done.
Also, it's Friday, so there may be a lot of tourists who are just like, oh, let's get this out of the way now, and just got here and here for the weekend. Maybe if we had done this like in the middle of the week, it wouldn't be that bad, but whatever. It's okay, we have time.
We have plenty of time, and we have plenty of places to see, and if we miss a couple, I mean, oh well.
We just have to come back.
Darn.
You notice I'm driving?
Yeah.
Because if I had left him to drive, I'd have been puking by now. And I can't take B-roll and not get seasick at the same goddamn time. Car sick, whatever. Same difference, motion. So it's best if I drive. And he can get all the B-roll and the time lapses that he wants. And we're okay. Nobody gets car sick. He gets all the video. Everybody's happy.
Except I want to drive the road.
Too bad. You pick one. You pick video or driving. You can only have one.
No. Fair enough. Windows down, reggae on, onward.
Onward. Yeah.
That was kind of fun, I guess.
Just a little chance to stretch our legs, let me catch my breath so I'm not car sick. Just rained for like 2.5 seconds. Felt really nice, actually. Girl in her element, I guess you could say. I haven't been in the rain in over like 25 years. While it's warm.
So we took a stop off at Kiania.
I have no idea.
It's a lot of A's and E's.
We stopped by Aunty Sandy's for some banana bread. We paid for 2 loaves while they were still in the oven.
Got them out steaming hot. We walked up here. This is like a little nature walk, I guess. Yeah. Like a fire trail almost. Fire trail. They don't have fires here.
Yeah.
There's too much water for there to be a fire. Anyway.
Flash floods though.
Flash floods, yes. At this point, we're pretty much through all the things that are at the beginning of the drive that we pretty much have to do here. And we have a full day in Hana, so anything that we don't get in and around Hana tomorrow, we'll get on the way back.
Keane Arboretum.
We went in a waterfall. It was one of the just kind of spur of the moment. Saw the waterfall. It looked fun, so we went. Now we're pretty much just on our way to the Airbnb at this point. It was fun. I'm glad we got in at least one waterfall.
One waterfall, yeah. This is your tiny dreams of your house right here.
So we went to the Airbnb, cleaned up. We saw this food truck park, 2 or 3 food truck tents, and then like a couple shops and like a coffee shop off the side of the road here, a barbecue place and a Thai place, and decided to come get some dinner. Our Airbnb host had mentioned that the food trucks close pretty early around here, and so as soon as we got ready, we left and came over here. I mean, it's only like 4:30 right now, and they're closing up.
And sold out.
So it's a good thing that we came when we did. But we're still going to go into town. Hopefully there's still stuff open there. Probably won't spend too much time in there because it does look like it's going to start getting dark here pretty soon. And then tomorrow is our Hana adventure. Going to a few places here in and around Hana. Go hike, check out some waterfalls. Barbecue's pretty good though.
Side of the road joints. They're usually pretty good.
Pretty much all there is on the road to Hana.
Oh, we ate that banana bread. Oh my god. I don't know what they put in that bread. It was bomb. AF.
But banana.
It's really good banana bread.
Would you say it's bananas?
This bread is bananas. B-A-N-A-N.